In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the decision of choosing between GitHub Free and GitHub Pro, a decision many developers face. As you embark on utilizing platforms like GitHub, understanding what suits your needs best is crucial. Let's dive right in and make this decision a bit clearer for you. To get started, head over to the GitHub website. Once you're there, you might wonder about the options available to you when it comes to GitHub plans. Primarily, there are two options to consider for most personal or individual accounts: GitHub Free and GitHub Pro. Both come with their own set of features tailored to different needs, so let's break those down. With GitHub Free, you gain access to a range of core features perfect for individual or hobbyist developers. For instance, you can enjoy unlimited public repositories and also have the ability to create unlimited private repositories for your personal projects, a relatively recent but much welcome update by GitHub. Furthermore, GitHub Free includes basic continuous integration and continuous delivery minutes via GitHub Actions for private repositories, set at about 2,000 minutes per month, while public repositories have unlimited access. This is complemented by basic security features like Dependabot, alerts to help you stay on top of any vulnerabilities in your code. Support-wise, you'll be relying on community help, which is generally quite robust and resourceful. These features make GitHub Free an excellent starting point for developers working on open source projects, smaller personal endeavors, or even for those just dipping their toes into the world of coding. However, as you grow more serious in your development journey, you might find yourself wondering what additional advantages GitHub Pro could bring to the table. By upgrading to GitHub Pro, you unlock an array of more advanced tools. You gain access to enhanced code review features and repository analytics, which can be particularly beneficial for refining your workflows and gaining deeper insights into your projects if you're handling private repositories. Depending on the specifics of your plan, there also may be expanded storage and higher limits for services like packages and actions. For individuals pursuing freelance opportunities or aiming to establish a more professional portfolio, the Pro status can be advantageous, sometimes even portraying a professional edge in your work. Additionally, for those who are students or open source maintainers, there might be educational programs or benefits that allow free access to the Pro features. Definitely worth exploring if you qualify. My suggestion is to start with GitHub Free. Monitor your usage over time, particularly paying attention to CI/CD minutes, repository size, your number of collaborators, and your requirements for in-depth analytics or reviews. When you feel the pinch of those constraints, or if your needs evolve, that's your cue to consider upgrading to GitHub Pro. By assessing your immediate requirements against the features provided, you'll have the confidence to pick a plan that perfectly aligns with your coding journey. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding.